Snowstorm. We have a snowstorm. Step. Give you a you can ask the guy to shovel you. Maybe the front. I cannot make it. She doesn't have the time. You have to call her. Stuck in the car, stuck in the snow. Up to where?